any of you guys want to send us some of these Nito cubes?
Yeah, we need them.
We would like about 4 of them, one for each of us.
Yep.
And if you guys haven't played with one of these, you need one, so buy one for yourself.
Yes.
Convince these people to buy this merch.
Let's get it.
Guys, we're gonna run a discount code, not only on this merch, but on all of our merch, the entire World Series.
This is the best hoodie we've ever made. It's the best.
Use code WSOB for 10% off.
WSOB. It won't come as wrinkled as Facky's hat. Dang, Wrinkle Gang, stand up, bro.
How do I look?
You look fire. Hey.
I ordered Nitos to the crib for us to Airbnb.
I thought the fans were gonna do it for us.
Nah, I couldn't wait that long. I had to get them now for all of us because we're about to go to Title Town, USA, and we're all just gonna be squeezing them. Then we're gonna get a house sponsorship from Nito.
We gotta go eat some breakfast. Where are we at, church?
It said like the House of Pancakes or something.
Look, you are a short stack.
Thank you.
Today we got practice at 2 p.m., league at 5, and the practice is just for the doubles. So I'll be practicing hopefully with Mitch. Hopefully he shows up. I haven't heard from him yet. Jazz, what?
I haven't talked to him.
Well, I'm just gonna hope he's here. That's the goal.
Defending champs, I would think not. I think he would show up.
You would hope. You just never know. Do you think you have to be related to be a good doubles team?
Absolutely.
Ryan said to be a good doubles team, you have to be related.
There's not a lot of evidence that he's right.
There's not a lot of, to be fair though, there's not a lot of good relatives over the years.
What's a good doubles partner? What do you want to see out of a good doubles partner?
I want to see someone that can carry me to the finish line.
He's screwed. I tried to do that last year, and then what happened?
We cashed.
Wow, awesome.
Yeah, like, what else do you want?
Okay, so what's your real, is that your real answer?
The real answer. Someone that you can build on, like a game plan with someone, you guys can communicate, and just, I think there's a bigger bond in there. Like, it's not to be
Chemistry.
like, chemistry, yes, absolutely. There's chemistry between, can we redo that?
No, I like this.
Dude,
I like this. He's getting nervous now.
I am getting nervous. Just who you vibe with. Like, you don't want to be like going with someone that you don't really know very well. You want to be able to like talk with them, shoot the shit with them, and just hang out with them.
What makes a good doubles partner?
Yeah.
For him to strike a lot?
Alright.
Duh. You gotta have somebody that's easy to talk to and take the constructive criticism both ways. So I think that's what makes it. So just an open line of communication between the two. I think that's what makes it the better way. You know, obviously when things are going well, everybody can strike. So, you know, that doesn't hurt. But when you're down in the trenches and one's struggling, then you know it's as long as you start to panic a little bit.
What makes a good doubles partner? Probably someone with some thick ass glasses and hair down to their shoulders.
What if it's in a bun?
If it's in a bun, it actually adds 5 pins a game. Just someone who like doesn't ride the roller coaster of emotions. I ride the roller coaster of emotions, so I need someone that's gonna like even keel me. Does that make sense? Like I need someone that's the opposite of me. I need someone that's gonna like, I was always going to be up and down. Yeah. When I bowled with my buddy Brandon Biondo, he is the roller coaster of emotions. It was hard for me because I would have to be the calm guy when in reality I'm like, come on. Someone who you can have fun with whether bowling goes good or bad. That's what it's all about, having fun and winning. Mostly winning. It's what makes a good doubles partner.
Nakedness. I think
Now we're talking.
the more you've seen their cheeks, the more you strike. I'll just let that speak for itself.
I prefer to bowl with someone that's not above the height of 5'1", for starters. So I'm the big body of the team. Put the team on my back. It's not hard to put him on my back. He's like a little backpack. All right, the real answer, as everyone else was making jokes about who their real doubles partner is, the real answer is always going to be chemistry. I don't care if you're not as good a bowler as I may be, or someone that could be better. I like to bowl with someone who's fun and is always going to give me 110%. Even if they're a minus 1,000 and there's 2 shots left, still give me your full effort. Because there's been times where I bowl with people, and if they bowl bad the first 3 games, they quit and give up, and then they don't want to communicate. I know Boog is always going to give me all he's got. Got to be able to take constructive criticism well. If he's bowling bad or throwing it bad, I can tell him, hey, dude, you threw that awful. This got to be better, and he'll be like, okay, let's go. But overall, have fun, chemistry, and then the good bowling happens if you're having fun. Friendship forever.
Chris, can I ask you a question?
Ask away.
What makes a good doubles partner?
Good team chemistry, belief in the other person, and holding your own self accountable, I think is a big thing. Right, Kev? I said being a right-handed one-hander is the best part about being a good doubles partner.
So I'm screwed.
I didn't say it.
I don't want to dig so much.
Yo, do it. Oh my.
Is that Randy?
It's fair practice.
Apparently I don't know how to practice now. I'm just getting worse every time I step on the lanes. All right, that's what I'm doing. So we're f***ed. Is that what you're getting at?
That's his ball.
They gave it to us.